This is my third update. I thought that I had permanently fixed this. Kamvus 13, no signal problem. And I've already given you 2 other fixes. So here's a third fix because it just went on the fritz again. I had bought this HDMI switch. Yeah, don't get that. It did not work. What I ended up doing is I couldn't get my computer to update. Would you look at that? So this computer has issues. So I go to the command prompt, run as administrator, and make sure you write SFC scannow. Right? You do that. Click enter. Wait until it reaches 100%. And you probably have something corrupted there. And it'll fix that. And then, once you're aggravated and you least expect it, boom, it works. Boom. There you go.